One of the most common questions I get is how to make a thick, glossy, and smoky barbecue sauce that really sticks to meat. This Kansas City-style barbecue sauce brings bold flavor and deep richness you instantly recognize. You can find the full recipe in the description. I'm going to start with half a cup of ketchup, which creates the rich, familiar base of the sauce. Next, add 3 tablespoons of molasses to give our sauce that deep color and signature sweetness. Then go in with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, which balances the sweetness with just the right amount of tang. Now add 2 tablespoons of honey, bringing a smooth, rounded sweetness that softens the sharp edges of our sauce. For extra depth, add 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, which adds that savory, umami backbone. Next is half a teaspoon of liquid smoke, just enough to give that slow-cooked, smoky barbecue aroma. Now sprinkle in a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard powder, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder to quietly build flavor in the background. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and if you're using smoked paprika, this is where the sauce really starts to shine. And finally, bring everything together with 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, adding warmth, gentle heat, and balance to finish the sauce. Now once everything is in the saucepan, place it over medium-low heat and bring it to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring often until the sauce thickens slightly and turns glossy. If this recipe is already speaking to you and you love bold barbecue flavors, take a second to like this video, share it with a fellow barbecue lover, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you're the first to know whenever a new recipe drops. Taste and adjust the sweetness, tang, or heat if needed, then remove from the heat and let it cool. And just like that, your Kansas City-style barbecue sauce is ready. This recipe makes about 1 cup of sauce, perfect for brushing on ribs, chicken, burgers, or using as a dipping sauce. Once cooled, store it in a clean sealed jar and refrigerate, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 to 3 weeks. If you try this sauce, I'd love to know what you used it on, so tell me in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you soon in the next flavorful recipe.